it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're here with Gage. Yes, Gage Almighty with the reason. So we say him go live. Big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I see 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿 break that story there. Even though Gage they go live, I never catch the live where Emma basically run with IACT and I say yo IACT don't DM him about nothing. We also see him this Romeich as well. So well, not this. Talk your mind against Romeich as well. So that song a drop just in time. So does this song have something to do with it? The reason. So I guess he's gonna explain some of what going and some of why in basically give music a break and up on TikTok. Is that what the G is doing? Let's see. Let's jump in on it and hear what the G officer. Let's go, man. And big up Gage. I Gage a bad bumper cloth artist from them time until now. Wicked lyricist. Let's go, bro.
God knowing a dog. You know why I walk with a rifle?
Yeah.
For sure, bad mind. Them fear with them not understand. Me too great for rule and the one of the man. Every day me sin, but yeah me try to right or wrong. Make true me song daily, me write another one.
Them fear with them not understand, brother. And that's natural. People normally fear with them not understand.
Fear with them not understand. Me too great for rule and the one of the man. Every day.
Too great for follow back of people that. Me too great, brother. I'm a leader. Fuck the following shit. That is what Gage is saying right here. Yeah.
Fear with them not understand. Me too great for rule and the one of the man. Every day me sin, but yeah me try to right or wrong. Make true me song daily, me write another one. Part a say fi stop and part a say fi try. Part a say fi laugh, part a say fi cry. So
mix emotions.
Never seem to lift me high. And part a say fi run, me part a me just want to fly. But
so the boss have big mixed emotions right there. So there's so much things going on in my head. Part a say fi do this, part a say fi do that, part a say fi do this, part a say fi do that. Yeah, confusing.
Part a say fi laugh, part a say fi cry. So no do what I never seem to lift me high. And part a say fi run, me part a me just want to fly. But the part where say fi give up, you the part that die. You don't know all the sacrifice and the meal with a fight.
The part where say fi give up, the part that die, the part that dead, the part that don't exist anymore, the part that wasn't there in the first place. So I act in a text me time, but don't give up, brother. Me not give up. Me just have I don't know. That's what the G say. Not me. Binds.
Part me just want to fly. But the part where say fi give up, you the part that die. You don't know all the sacrifice and the meal with a fight. All the lonely night me up, I hold my vibes. I write my song just for rise. So giving up could never be a choice.
So all of them time that we spend sleepless night up, I write him songs them for rise up. Can't give up after them something there, brother. I just wanted a break from this toxic music business. Cause the music business toxic. You're fucking a dog. Yeah, dog, it's toxic, man.
Only night me up, I hold my vibes. I write my song just for rise. So giving up could never be a choice.
Never.
Is a reason me not compete for the road.
Yeah.
Too busy, I compete for my goal. The amount of fucker when me don't need to come clean with my soul. Still me just jump in on my zone. Pop me 19 when me own. Something about to happen. The whole team up on the phone. No feel like say a joke when me say we all we won. Just my dog only one, no one knows. So me kill him. Jungle Tel Aviv, Southside and TG. It's sad but real. It's sad but real. God knowing that. You know why I walk with a rifle? For sure, bad man.
I feel that one, man.
Them fear with them not understand. Me too great for rule and the one of the man. Every day me sin, but yeah me try to right or wrong. Make true me song daily, me write another one. Part a say fi stop and part a say fi try. Part a say fi laugh, part a say fi cry. So no do what I never seem to lift me high. And part a say fi run, me part a me just want to fly. But the part where say fi give up, you the part that die.
Dead.
You don't know all the sacrifice and the meal with a fight.
No.
All the lonely night me up, I hold my vibes. I write my song just for rise. So giving up could never be a choice. Is a reason Me not compete for the road.
Yeah, man.
Too busy, I compete for my
the
goal.
goal.
The amount of fucker when me don't need for come clean with my soul. Still me just jump in on my zone. Pop me 19 when me won. Something about to happen. The whole team up on the phone. No feel like say a joke when me say we all we won. Just my dog only one, no one knows. So me tell him Jungle Tel Aviv, Southside and TG. It's sad but real. It's sad but real. Clarendon, Mobile City. Lord, please have mercy. Sad but real. It's sad but real. Climb without a push. Make some steps a bigger than my foot. Read them up without a book. Them say them shake the place, but me never shook.
Not sure.
Me touch the levels when I hand can't reach. Me see the things when eyes can't see.
Yeah.
Me process things when them can't feel. Shallow waters office around the deep. Me jump in on me zone. Pack the 19 when me won. Something about ya. Whole team up on the phone. No feel like a joke when me say we all we won. Only one no. Jungle Tel Aviv, Southside and TG. It's sad but real.
Yeah, man.
It's sad but real. Clarendon, Mobile City. Lord, please have mercy.
Yeah, man.
Sad but real. It's
Bumbo
sad but real.
One Gage Almighty, one young legend, dog. One young Bumbuckler legend. So it's better fresh here to hear Gage from a brand new track. The reason, so alright, so even the cover art of meaning to it, you know. Well, let me see if I can catch about the cover art. Pass the advertiser, cause I noticed that the cover art have meaning to it as well. So, now the cover art, I'm going to bring about the cover art right now. Now the cover art, we see the reason, Gage. See? The title of the song, cool. But this is a vault right here. This is like a security vault where it lock up. So the reason, the reason why him get the music business a break, it's personal to him. So, it lock up behind closed doors. You get it? It must secure, or it could also mean it must secure him sanity. You understand? It must protect him sanity. He's protecting something because this door here is not a boy pitney get through that. You have to be a man for open that door, your brother. It have so much locks and keys to it and thing. You understand? So he's protecting something. He's definitely protecting something. So the reason is the G are protecting sanity from the toxic music business. Because the music business can be fucking toxic, dog. So big up Gage, bro. Big up One Legend, bro. Whatever the G decides to do, a theme life, brother. You see me? A theme life. If him decides to quit music a morning, that is up to him. Which him not quit. Him tell you say, yo, the part if he give up, die long time. That not there, you see me? Him done past this already, you see me? So Gage, Gage is Gage, bro. Gage is a lyrical monster, bro. One young legend. He is a lyrical monster, dog. So Jay, just always remember say you have fans out there, so I wait for you, you see me? So nobody worry about the haters them. Do something for your fans them, you see me? Your fans them want back your music, brother. And it's good to take a break sometimes. It's good to take a break. There's nothing wrong with taking a break. But how long is that break? You see me? So we know you have it same your dog, but just forward night. Just forward back in that music business, brother. You see me? It's sad, but it's real, dog. A facts, bro. A facts you attack me, G. You see me? So big up yourself, me G. And thanks to that one, yeah. Young legend. Big up yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next one, though. Big up yourself, Gage. All right.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.